In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the product catalog to input structured cabling products. The first thing you do once you've created an estimate in a section is you go to the product catalog and you click the plus sign next to structured cabling products. And when you do, it displays a list of structured cabling product categories here. What you do is you just drill down into the category to find what you're looking for. As an example, I'm going to drill down here into the cable catalog. I click the little plus sign here. It expands the menu. You see copper, multi-pair, see them all here, coax, fiber, interduct, etc. Okay, so again, you drill down further. I'll click on copper multi-pair, and when I do, a menu at the bottom appears of materials. You see it says 4 pair, 25 pair, 50 pair, clear up to 1200 pair cable. Now what you do is you click in the quantity box and just type in the quantity. In this case, I'm going to type in 5,000 feet. Now when you type in quantities here, do not enter any commas into Red Rhino, okay? After you input the quantity, you would click the add button. I want to make a quick note here. You can input the quantities for multiple items at the same time. This is part of the magic of Red Rhino, and part of why it works so darn fast. This is like a laundry list. You could hypothetically go in there and type in a footage for different types of cable, and you would click add, and they'll populate to the right over here. Now let me show you. I'm going to click the add button, and when I do, it populates the cable over here. Now after you make an entry here, I recommend you just go ahead and save it. Just click the save button, and you'll see it save. There it goes. Now, I want to explain something and confirm something with you. You need to understand that Red Rhino does not have material pricing for structured cabling products. People love Red Rhino for estimating structured cabling projects because you can calculate the labor it takes to install this stuff very quickly. You can also create a material list to send to your wholesale house. That's another subject, but you can create a material list to send to your vendors to get pricing. So I want to explain this just real quick. This is the way Red Rhino displays materials that you've input into the Takeoff here. Notice it says 4 pair cable. It says quantity 5,000 feet. The unit price is 0. Like I said, we don't have material pricing for these items. And then the labor hours, this is important to understand. The program shows that there's 4.94 hours per M. Now, the letter M there stands for per thousand in this case. So the program has almost 5 hours. It has 4.94 hours to install 1,000 feet. Now, since we input 5,000 feet, the program extends your labor, or in other words, it'll show labor 4.94 hours per thousand. So since you input 5,000, it shows a 24.7 hours total to install all 5,000 feet. Now this is the way it works. This is what I call the onesies, where you drill down into this, again, structured cabling products, you find what you're looking for, and you just input them. Here I'll click plus sign next to panels. You'll see we have patch panels, coax panels, fiber, etc. Click on the item that you're looking for and drill down into the catalog. In this case, patch panels. And as I scroll down here, it has different ports, ports of patch panels. In this case, I'm going to input a quantity of 1 24-port patch panel. When I click add, it populates over here to the right. It shows 0.62 hours for that, and I click save. Okay. In another video now, well, let me say this, or say it different. What I recommend you do is just go through here, observe what's in the material catalog. I'm going to click on racks and accessories here. And down here again, it shows the different racks. You can input them and populate them. What I recommend you do is go through here and see exactly what's in here, and put in a quantity of some and populate it over here and save it. And at that point, you'll understand how to use the material catalog. In another video, I'm going to show you how to use structured cabling assemblies, which is much, much faster.